everybody. My name is Richard. There are lots of mystery around us, but I've got the best mystery in the world. Yeah, it's a tomato. Actually, I can't speak this storm weather's name actually in any case. So you might be thinking how a tomato forms. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, when this bad weather storm started, so the tomato will form up when every direction is mixing up, like a mini tomato. Only it forms up, but the tomato forms down. Okay, so let's talk about how tomato forms. Okay, tomato, when they have arrows, the front like this, they mix and then form a very big, scary Weatherstrom. But don't worry, for now, this Weatherstrom's costs are very cheap. But still, there are lots of mystery around us, so let's talk about why are tomatoes and what are tomatoes for, where that make it very dangerous. Okay, so let me talk about something. Look at this. You must be thinking that it's just some lightning and also some scratching. But no, that's how a tomato forms. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, so first let's see. This one is mixing up like this. Yeah, I'm not joking. So, as you all know, that the wrong thing to do is just sit down. But the bad thing to do is say hi and hello. Okay. So you might be thinking why this guy is just staying with the car. Yeah, it's actually the car is there. Okay, so let's talk about what happens if a tomato would be more better than a video. Okay, so let's talk about the tomato. But inside a tomato, it's not very fun. Inside a hoverboard or a skateboard is fun because hoverboard could run around, but that's how actually tomatoes form. Let me show you that picture. Okay, so hoverboard round, and then air starting to like this. Do not see the air, but if there's red stormy weather, but your hoverboard is waterproof, then it's a rough. Then you're doing that is a very big mistake because you see this stuff. Yeah, lightning side this scrabbling air. Okay, so how you can see air when red is formed in black. How do the clouds get black? Okay, so let me talk about that. Okay, so let's see the process, how it's doing. Okay, so let's see. First, the Weatherstrom's radar come Newton. The water heats up, and then it became very cold. That sun needs to get some heat from that. But then the sun begins to be cold, and then the clouds absorb that cold, and then they make heavy rains. And heavy rains, and also they flew air, cold air. Everybody could get sick and a headache. Okay, so let me talk about something that today happens in India. Okay, so I'm living in India actually in any case, so let me talk about what happened in now. Okay, so first, my mother say when I want to go to school, but I can't because there are lots of weather storms. Okay, so let's see the process. First, it's light air like this. Second, it will come a little bit like this. And then third, it's all flew up, and then it became so don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the next episode, we will get some questions. So